Good morning. I'm doing it in the rain, so it'll be a quick one this morning. Come here, Min. Come say hello. I can say hello. Let's get into it. I wanted to try out my microphone. Hope it works really well. It's actually quite nice. Breathe out. You know the drill. Keep it out. Oh dear. Breathing in. Sip it up. Actually feels quite nice when you're out here. Breathe in. Breathe in. Out. We're dancing in the rain, just dancing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. The dog's just looking at me going, what are you doing? All right, let's do some jumps, Min. Come here, Min. Come on. Come on. She's thinking, what are you doing out in the rain, Mom? What are you doing out in the rain? Come here. Say morning. Morning. All right, jumping. Yeah. Wow. Stretch it out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Can't see my monkey bars, can you? And there. Just gonna hold on. Should be able to hear me from here too. So hanging is supposed to be very good for you as well. So just literally holding the grip and just relaxing. Good for your spine. As you do a bit of twisting, you can hear things unclink and clunk. And literally just by holding on, strengthens you. So I figured, well, sounds easy. And that will do for the morning. Oh, you come off and your hands are still like this. Oh, it's good. It's good, it's good. What else can I show you while I'm here at home? Hope you can still hear me. It's out of my shirt so it didn't get wet. There's Min. Little wag, wag, wag. What else we got here? Everything's drying under here. So yep, my golf ball on my foot. It feels really good. And then when I'm here, I do my, as you can see, these squeezing them. So I squeeze them for certain many, nothing particular, and then I just hold onto it and grip it. Good for all this. Do the other side too. And I really like the rolling pin because you can really get into the blade of your foot all the way. Nice, nice. Feels good. Little feeties feel good. Good to look after your feet. See, no fancy gym equipment for me. I like it because it's something that I can just come out and do, you know, straight away. I don't, oh, this is slippery. I don't have to get in the car and go somewhere. So, you know, if you can keep your path of least resistance as possible. So I'm also practicing, as you can see, I'm on my toes. So I'm practicing my balancing. So I'm doing this. Good time management. And you can go up and down a little bit. Just do whatever feels good. And last one. I think it's 4.5 kilos, this one. And then just wind it up. Oh, you really feel it. Arm pump. Nice. And then I usually do, what else have we got? I like doing these. Got a bit of a hernia thing happening. So I don't do a lot of other crunching, but I can do the side to side. So I literally have it on my head. Because if you don't, same with your hands, it can move around. At least you know that's where it is. So down in your horse riding stance and over and pull up. Use your breath. In through your nose. Nice. Which one am I do today? I'll do some deadlifts. It's easy to show you. So I don't do 3 sets of things. I used to, but now I just do 1 set and a longer amount. Deadlifts, squats and lunges are really good. And then I do like my front of legs and my back of legs. So I'll do some deadlifts. So you have to be very careful of your form so you don't hurt yourself. So remember me telling you about your knees. Don't let them come over your toes. You'll strain your knees. So always have your bum out. See how my knees aren't going over my toes? Yeah? And it doesn't hurt my knees. So I'll bring this over here. Okay. So from here, and all you're doing is keeping your arms straight and you're picking it up. I wouldn't advise you do this without somebody watching you, how you do your form. It's I wouldn't want you to hurt yourself. Yeah. You can do it without weights, maybe. Yeah, do it without weights and just practice it. Always use your breath. There we go. That'll do, donkey. That'll do, donkey. Amen. So we'll focus on our gratitudes. Won't we, Min? You're looking a bit soggy. You're looking a bit soggy, but you're so cute. It's amazing how animals know, hey? They do. She does her downward dog first thing in the morning. And then she shakes like we do in ours. Bring your awareness into your heart. Nice full breath. Give a nice big sigh. If you can hear me good. Hope you've been able to. Amen. Focusing on all that you're grateful for. From the simplest things in your life. And use that powerful mind of yours to focus. To focus. To focus. And who and what do you appreciate and are grateful for in your life right now? This beautiful rain. For our dry homes. It keeps us dry. It's safe. And as you focus on this, I want you to feel it and breathe it through your body. Breathe it down nice and deep. Use your intention, use your powerful mind and breathe that gratitude, the appreciation through your body, through your blood and your bone, through all of your systems and functions, through all of the networks in your body. Just feel and see it breathing through. And allow it just to, with ease, flow and grace, dislodge any stuck emotions or stuck energy. Just breathe and be grateful. I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful. I'm so happy and grateful. For your health, for relationships. Listen to the sound of the beautiful rain. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. In your mind, I invite you to say, I am safe. I am loved. I am loving. I am lovable. I am worthy. I am worthy of all that is good. And I deserve to receive all that is good. I am enough, exactly the way I am. I'm smart. I am beautiful. I am strong. I am courageous. and I can dance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I bless you all. Blessing in oneness, in oneness, in oneness. I bless you with fun and laughter and joy. I bless you with alignment with what your soul wants and needs and desires. I bless you with clean, clear energy centers throughout your body and above and below. I bless you with clean, clear energy field. I bless you with kindness and respect. I bless you with calm and confidence. I bless you with powerful roots of self-esteem and confidence and wings to fly. I bless you with the happiest, healthiest day ever. And I'm so looking forward to dancing with you. We'll be dancing very shortly. So I'll see you on the dance floor.